जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधार्विका गिरधारी श्री श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी की जय। It's very nice weather here. You take the beautiful darshan, then I will show you the market status. What is the status here? Actually, there is so much heavy rain here. You can see. I will just show you. जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधार्विका गिरधारी श्री श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी की जय। श्री श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी की जय। गुरु परंपरा की जय। गिरिराज महाराज की जय। परम गुरुदेव महाराज की जय। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन चक्र जो की जय। बोलो नरसिंह देव भगवान की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे। जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। Would you like to see the rain? So much heavy rain is there. Gurudev is going to come within the next few minutes, but still you can take the darshan of the rain here. Oh my God. Look at the market status. So much heavy rain is there. Oh my God. Can you see? Look. Oh my God, it's so raining. It's raining. It's raining. After a long time, market is open here. Now Gurudev is arrived. So everybody has to sing with Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Swagatam Gurudev, Suswagatam Gurudev. Swagatam Gurudev, Suswagatam Gurudev. What? Okay, Srila Gurudev ki jai. What are you doing? जय निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। ओम विष्णु पाद अष्टोत्तर शशि भक्ति वेदांत श्रील गुरुदेव वन महाराज की जय।
नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्यं नाम्ने गौरतिते देवी कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते सत्कांक्षं गौरंगीकाले धावनेश्वरी सुतवानुसुते देवी प्राणमामि ओम वृंदावै तुलसीरे त्वयि प्रियावै केशवस्य कृष्ण भक्ति कवि देवी सप्तभक्ति
sound okay?
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर शिवाधरि गौरभक्तवृंद
हरे कृष्णा हरे
नित्यलीला रविक्रम विष्णुपाद अस्तुतर एवं नित्यलीला रविक्रम विष्णुपाद अस्तुतर तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला रविक्रम विष्णुपाद अस्तुतर भक्ति एवं समस्त चरण कमलों में दंडवत प्रणाम
So we were hearing about the Rupa Goswami path. Because after 2 days or after 3 days, Prabhu, Haribol. Oh, Prabhu, phone. So after 2 or 3 days, we will celebrate the disappearance day of Srila Rupa Goswami path. So that's why we are trying to here giving us our offering to Srila Rupa Goswami path. Just like by the mercy of Bhagwan, we realize Bhagwan or we experience Bhagwan Ishwarel Kripalay. So in the Brahma Stuti, Brahmaji is reciting the shloka, Hey Brahman, Hey Bhagwan. So without your mercy, no one can understand your transcendental Leela, your transcendental form. So for 1,000 years, if somebody visiting in this world and somebody does so many kinds of good deeds and they are doing so many kinds of good deeds and they take so much renunciation, still they cannot realize or experience about you. In the same way, so whatever the Pushpanjali we will, so the offering we are going to offer to the Rupa Goswami path's feet, so it is only by the Rupa Goswami's mercy. If we get the mercy of Rupa Goswami path, then we can understand about him, or then we can realize about him only. But still, so our previous acharyas, Guru Vargs, so whatever they have told us or described about the Rupa Goswami path, So in the same way,
पुनश्च पुनश्च चरित करवाना
whatever they have told us, we will,
उनकी ही उचित
their remnants,
उचित साधिष्ट वस्तु ही
we will present before you again and again.
हम प्रयास करें। ये किस प्रकार
That how
श्रील रूप गोस्वामी
Srila Rupa Goswami Pad,
सर्व प्रकार से मनोभिष्ट की जो है पूर्ति।
so how Srila Rupa Goswami Pad fulfilled all the Manovishta of Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
श्री चैतन्य मनोभिष्टम
Srila Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupam Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam. This is the Pradhan Mantra. So this is told by Narottam Das Thakur. Narottam Das Thakur in Prem Bhakti Chandrika Granth.
रूप गोस्वामी पाद की चरण कमल में अपने पुष्पांजलि
So he is offering his into the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Srila, this is the Pranam Mantra of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. When Rupa Goswami Pad, by his mercy, he will give the seva, the service of his lotus feet. How he has fulfilled all the Manobhish, the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu has given 4 instructions to Rupa Goswami Pad. Lupkutit Urdhar means when Krishna disappeared from this world, when Krishna went to his eternal lok, Nityadham, so all the places they disappeared from this world. That's why Mahaprabhu said he has given the instruction to 6 Goswami, to Rup Sanatan and all the 6 Goswami works. You go to Vrindavan, and going to Vrindavan and search out the places of Krishna's pastime which has been disappeared from this world. Lupta Tirth Uddhar. Vigraha Prakash means establish the Vigrahas. Krishna's grandson Bajrana, so who has manifested so many kinds of Vigrahas. So by the time and the Muslim kings came and they had destroyed everything, they have destroyed. So some pujaris, so they have hidden this kinds of Vigrah somewhere in the forest or their houses. So you have to manifest these Vigrahas again. And third one is, so whatever the Bhakti Tattva Granth are not there, so you have to publish that. And the fourth one is, so you have to told to the peoples about Vedic Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. What are the Vedic Bhakti? What is the Raganuga Bhakti? What is the Vedic Bhakti? You have to told about the peoples. You have to tell all these things to the peoples. So these 4 works given to the 6 Goswamis by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, by the causeless mercy of Mahaprabhu, he has completed his desires. He has fulfilled all his desires. He came to Vrindavan, and being so separate mode, and he stayed in Vrindavan. Just like we have heard that how he stayed in Vrindavan and they performed bhajan and took the bhojan. Sankhya Purvak Nama Gana Nativikar Nidyahar Vihar, like this.
Radha Krishna Punaskrite Madhurima Anandena Dharma Hito Bande Rupa Sanatana
Shri Gopal Go. Ishad Goswami Arja. Who? Srinivas Acharya. He was the associate of Mahaprabhu.
कृष्ण के मधुर नाम आदि नाम गान कृष्ण के मधुर लीला चरित आदि के सुंदर
Srinivas Acharya. So how the six Goswamis performed their bhajan, so he has described in Shad Goswami Ashtaks. Manas Madhukar, Madhukar Nijpad Pankar Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. So Srila Rupa Goswami Pad has written this. Sankhya Purvak Nama Gananat Vihi.
वैष्णव के नाम लेकर के नवद्वीप वृंदावन जगन्नाथपुरी के रहने वाले जितने वैष्णव आयु के नाम लेकर के दंडवत प्रणाम आदि करते हैं.
So how they are doing the Dandavat Pranam, all the Vaishnava who are staying in Navdeep, Jagannath Puri and Vrindavan.
निद्रा आहार व्यवहार किसी को सकते हैं. निद्रा आहार व्यवहार नहीं करने के लिए
So they have overcome of sleeping 92 minutes.
एक दंडक 24 मिनट. 4 दंडक कितने होता है?
96.
96.
So they used to sleep for 96 minutes only in 24 hours, and in 96 minutes he used to all this work and all this servicing in the driving to the Radha Krishna, and they used to go for begging in the Brajvasi's house. So in the dreams they are dreaming for Radha Krishna, and they are serving in the dreaming also of Radha Krishna. So in this way, this is the process of their performing bhajan. So those who are the associates of those, so amongst all them, Rup Sanatan are the topmost, and especially Rup Goswami Pad. He is incredible. That's why all the devotees, they were so much eager. They used to ask about the Rup and Sanatan, that how they have performed bhajan and sadhan in staying in Vrindavan. So at the one tree he was staying one night. So one night they have spent they stayed in one tree, under one tree, because all are the trees of Vrindavan, they are transcendental, they are the evidence of Radha Krishna's pastimes. They all are the big Maharshi, Rishi, and they have taken the form of the trees and staying in Vrindavan. And those all are the trees are the Nitya Parikar of Radha and Krishna, eternal associates. Sakshi. So they all are the witness of Radha Krishna's pastimes. So when Krishna in the Vrindavan at the bank of Yamuna, whatever the pastimes he has did with the Radha as another gopis, Nauka Vihar, Jal Vihar, Luka Chupi, hide and seek, yes. Hide and seek, Luka Chupi. So whatever the pastimes he has done with the gopis, so these all trees are the evidence. Sometimes Radhaji, she used to hide behind the trees, and Krishna had to search her, and sometimes Krishna hide himself, and he had to search. So these all are there are many kinds of leelas are there. So according to the time we will discuss about. So that's why it is saying the Vrindavan's trees are not ordinary trees. वृंदावन के वृक्ष को मर्म न जाने कोई, जहाँ डाल डाल और पात पात पर राधे राधे होई। Nobody can understand the pain of the Vrindavan's trees. Even the branch and on all the leaves, all are chanting the name of Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. That's why it is saying वृंदावन के वृक्ष को मर्म न जाने कोई, जहाँ डाल डाल और पात पात पर राधे राधे होई। राधा मेरी शाम
जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो वृंदावन को पास। मुसलमान कवि रसखान ने बहुत सुंदर सुंदर।
So Muslim Kavi Ras Khan, he has described these beautiful poets about the Radha Krishna pastimes. Braj Dham dust is not the ordinary dust. These all are the mercies of the gopis' feet. So Krishna himself, so Krishna is so much suffering for taking the dust of gopis' feet. Brahma and other the jivas, other the big devtas, they would like to take the birth in the Vrindavan, and they are in the queue and they are praying for that. In Vrindavan, so they are doing so much hard austerities for taking birth in the Vrindavan. So Brahmaji is saying there is no much fortune, there is no fortune to taking birth in Vrindavan. So where should I take the birth? So I would like to take the birth in Gokul. And where? In the Vrajvasi's house, in the form of a little stone. And whose Vrajvasi? So whose Vrajvasi? Those who are the cleaning the toilets, who are saying here Bhangi. So Harijan or Matarani, जो Bhangi, cleaning the toilets, case against you. They will fight against you. Kinds of person who are cleaning the toilets, when they will clean the toilets of the Brajvasis, and when they will come back to their house, and when they will they will clean their feet. So on that stone, to take the birth in the form of that stone, so that I can take the dust of the Brajvasis. So how much highly Bhav Brahmaji have. And Uddhav also said, Uddhav is saying, I have just one desire of life, I would like to take in the Vrindavan's grass. Those gopis has broken all the chants and rules and regulation of the society for meeting Krishna, and they have observed in the Mahabharata and how they are coming for meeting to Krishna. So those kinds of Mahabhagavatis gopis, the feet of the dust of their feet, if they put their dust of their feet on my head, so my life will be successful. That's why he is praying for taking the birth in the Braj in the form of grass.
श्रुतियां वेद उपनिषद
So these kinds of dust, gopis' feet dust, shrutis, shrutiyas and others are doing so much hard austerities.
ब्रज की महिमा कौन बने
So who can describe the glories of Braj?
और रूप सनातन
And Roop
कैसे
Sanatan,
भजन करते थे
how they performed bhajan?
ना एक एक वृक्ष तले
So they stayed at one night in one trees of Vrindavan.
कोई घर मकान नहीं बना
They don't have any kinds of house.
जहाँ जहाँ पर काम हो जाए ब्रज की वहाँ पर पेड़ के नीचे बैठ कर के बाद विश्राम करते
So they used to take the rest under the trees of Braj of Vrindavan. So it is mentioned by the Sanatan Goswami Pad that he performed Govardhan. There is a bhajan kutir also in the Chakratit of Parang Ghat. There is a Parang Ghat. So there is a bhajan kutir and Chakreshwar Mahadev. There is a bhajan kutir of Sanatan Goswami Pad where Krishna crossed the gopis after taking the broken boat. There is a beautiful story. So Sanatan Goswami Pad performed bhajan there, and all kinds of mosquitoes disturbed him so much. So he said that I will leave this place because there are so much mosquitoes. So Shivji came. Shivji has so much deep friendship with Sanatan Goswami Pad, and he said, Shivji, please don't. Shivji said that, please, Sanatan, you don't leave me. Sanatan said, no, I cannot live here because there are so much mosquitoes. I would like to go Vrindavan. Vrindavan mam jivanam, mam hridaya. Brahmadavanam vamastu vasam. Mamastu Vasam. So I would like to stay in Vrindavan. And where in Vrindavan? Where Reshvanu Kumari's control is there. Not everywhere, in some places. So I would like to stay those kinds of places. That's why Sanatan Goswami Pad said to Shivji that I don't want to stay here. But what Shivji said? Hey Sanatan, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Stay here. So what Shivji said that I will do something. He said bum 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 bum, and from tomorrow onwards there will be no mosquitoes here. So since then, so in the Chakleshwar, you will go to Chakleshwar, there is no mosquitoes there. He needs his phone. So in this way, our Rupa Goswami Pad performed bhajan and our Sanatan Goswami Pad performed banaj. How they stayed one place at one night in one under the tree. So they used to take only one feast of chickpeas. They used to meditate about on Chaitanya. They meditate. Rupa Sanatan Goswami. They meditate upon Chaitanya and used to write granthas. Earlier I said that day I told you that how at the Ter Kadam near the Nandagaon there is a Ter Kadam place. So between the Nandagaon and Javat there is a Ter Kadam. So there Rupa Goswami Pad performed bhajan there. So they used to remind so many beautiful pastimes there. What is going again? And they used to remember those pastimes, the separation modes, and they used to write the separation mode shlokas. So whenever they used to write the separation mode shlokas, so all the trees becomes banjar. All the leaves of the trees fall down. And when Rupa Goswami Pad, he used to write the shlokas of Milnatmaka, meeting shlokas, so all the trees get the beautiful green form. So this is the beautiful view, how beautiful path they had. So they are the transcendental poet. केविदिनी देश जाए आरे पूछे प्रभु पाई सब.
वृंदावन में रह करके
how they perform bhajan, very nice. Once Sanatana Goswami Pad, he went to Sanatana Goswami Pad, came to Rupa Goswami Pad and asked, Rupa, what are you writing? So Rupa Goswami said that I am writing about the Radharani. So Sanatana Goswami Pad said, tell me, what are you writing? So I am writing about the tale of Srimati Radhika Rani's hair. So whatever Rupa Goswami So whatever the example given by Rupa Goswami Pad, he said that Radharani's tail and the juda of hair. So the juda is like a hood and the tail is like a snake's tail. So Sanatana Goswami Pad, it's not right that you cannot compare Radharani's hair like a snake's. It is not good. So how Rupa Goswami Pad is so much humble. So both were treating there as a guru. Sanatana Goswami Pad said that Rupa Goswami Pad is my guru, and Rupa Goswami Pad said Sanatana Goswami Pad is my guru. So Sanatana Goswami Pad is higher than the Rupa Goswami Pad in age. He is older. So both they have so much love and affection towards each other. That's why Sanatana Goswami Pad, when Sanatana Goswami Pad said, so whatever the example you have given that Radharani's hair is like a snake, so it is not good. So you edit it. So Rupa Goswami Pad. Sanatana Goswami Pad said, because it is a noon time, so we are going for Madhukari for begging. So tomorrow we will edit. So when he went away somewhere, so what he saw, there is a beautiful garden is there. There is Kadam. So there is a Tamal Vraksh and Kadam Vraksh are there. Because it is a rainy season that time. Thank you. So what Sanatana Goswami Pad saw, there is a beautiful girl, little girl is sitting on the swing. And both sides there are some beautiful girls also, very little girls. So Sanatana Goswami Pad saw the girls who was sitting on the swings. So what he saw, there is a black snake, and their hood with his hood is doing like shaking him. So Sanatana Goswami Pad said from so far, oh Lali, there is a snake on your head. So he came very fast. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Gol Om Vishnu Padashtotta Shashim Bhakti Vedanta Srila Madha Maharaj Ki Jai. So at that time what happened? So that girl little smiled and disappeared from there, that places. So Sanatana Goswami Pad, he was thinking, just Rup, he was writing that shlokas. So who can edit this? No one can edit this. The Rupa Goswami Pad, whatever he has written, this is perfect. This is the perfect example and the comparison. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad came to Rupa Goswami Pad and he said, Rup, whatever you have written, it's absolutely perfect. So there is no need to edit anything. So in this way, how Rupa Goswami Pad and Sanatana Goswami Pad perform bhajan in the Vraj.
उनकी जीवन चरित कथा इतनी
So their life history is so amazing. So however and whatever we can speak, it is no limit. They both were the Priya Patra of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu manifested his all the power in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. So where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to live? He used to live in Jagannath Puri, and Rupanathan used to live in Vrindavan. So by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, so Mahaprabhu manifested his all the power into the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. So there is no subject like here that we are staying in the near or far. Guru Kripa, Bhagavad Kripa. When Gurudev and Bhagwan mercy upon us, when we totally surrender into the feet of Guru. That's why we have heard already yesterday, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said himself. So the context was like that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing before the chariot of Jagannath, and how he was dancing is observed in Bhav. So according to the Bhav of Mahaprabhu, Sarup Damodar was doing the Bangla Kirtan. So Mahaprabhu drawn himself into this Bhav and he was dancing so ascetic mood. So Sarup Damodar recited the shlokas of a general material shloka, or like an ordinary heroine, a heroine's heroine, like a Sahitya Darpana. So all heads were fainting that Mahaprabhu is sannyasi. So how Sarup Damodar can recite these kinds of shlokas of a material peoples, like a material peoples? Why Sarup Damodar is reciting these shlokas? All were thinking, they were getting headache. So at that time only Sarup Damodar knew, and maybe at that time Rupa Goswami Pad was also there. So by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, according to the feeling of Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad written one shloka. So he recited the shloka at the Bhajan Kutir of Haridas Thakur. So he left the shlokas at the Haridas Thakur and he went to take shower. So when in the morning, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached there, so when Rupa Goswami Pad came back after taking the bath, so at the Siddha Bakul he came. So Mahaprabhu in this way, so whatever shlok was written by Rupa Goswami Pad, he saw. So he was so much observed in the bhav. So Rupa Goswami Pad handwriting was so beautiful, so amazing. When Mahaprabhu saw that, so he was observed in the bhav. If somebody's writing is so beautiful, so we like to read it. So I'm telling myself, my handwriting is just like the ants. So if you put the ink if you put the ink short handwriting if you put the ink into the ants' feet and the ants are moving, so my handwriting is like that. So Rupa Goswami Pad handwriting is so beautiful, just like Mukta. Mukta, what is it? Just like a pearl, moti. Pearl handwriting. So at the time they used to write on the trees or leaves, talpatra. So reading that shlokas, Mahaprabhu observed in bhav, he was intoxicated. When Rupa Goswami offered his praman into the feet of Mahaprabhu, and he asked, "You have written this shlok? How beautiful you have written!" And he was nodding his head. Mahaprabhu was nodding his head. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And Mahaprabhu said, Sarup Damodar, I have just heard the shlok of Sahitya Darpan. And just like a prakritik material Nayak and Nayikas, and I observed in that bhav. And today, so how Rup knew my heart? So how he has written this beautiful shloka? And Sarup Damodar said, so you have manifested your mercy upon the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. Otherwise, who knows your hearts? And Mahaprabhu himself said, he accepted this. When Rup met me in Prayag, so thinking that he is the capable person, so I manifested all my power into his heart. So I am going to end up here because Maharaj is going to speak. So without the mercy of Mahaprabhu, who can write this kinds of shlokas, who can express this kinds of feelings? So Mahaprabhu himself, and so Mahaprabhu himself tasted all the bhakti ras to Rupa Goswami Pad, and after tasting this kinds of one drop of nectar, Mahaprabhu Rupa Goswami Pad written 1 lakh shlokas. So according to time, we will discuss about the characteristics of Rupa Goswami Pad. Vancha kalptarvaischa kripa sindhuvyevacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Hare Krishna. So see you tomorrow in morning class. Hari Bol. Radhe Radhe.